time, kahit wala kayo dito sa classroom, magtuturo pa din ako. So, our lesson for today is all about Module 14, Planning and Conceptualizing Social Advocacy for Developing an ICT Project. But before that, let's have a recap of the previous modules para may connect natin kung bakit ito ang title ng module natin. So, sa 12, Module 12, you learned about creating websites and incorporating not just only text and images sa inyong mga websites, but as well as videos, other 3D effects, graphics, URL links. Okay. So, ICT is very important. On the next module, Module 13, you learned that pwede ka palang mag-influence ng change. If you're if you have an advocacy, you can raise your voice. You can raise your voice to influence other people for your social advocacy through the use of ICT. And doon na nga, since na-mention natin yung mga advocacy, di ba? Nag-post kayo sa Facebook ng mga advocacy ninyo. And you mentioned advocacy, so that means to say there's a problem and you want to find a solution, right? So let's learn how to make a concept paper, and this concept paper will help you solve the problem. Let's go. Planning and conceptualizing social advocacy. ICT serves as the stepping stones for the economic, social, industrial growth and development of the first world countries. Dahil sa ICT, or Information Communication Technology, mas lumago at naging progresibo ang mga bansa. Thus, ICT is generally seen as an advantageous instrument to provide better and cheaper ways of communication and promote changes that enables the generation to new knowledge and equipping the people with the relevant skills needed. Hence, ICT projects undergoes deep research, inquiry, and studies before implemented. Advocacies should be SMART. S is for specific, M is for measurable, A is for attainable, R is realistic, and T for time-based. So to start with, what does advocacy mean? It means, it's a Latin word that means call to one's aid. It refers to the act of providing support with the goal of promoting certain issues and making a change in one's life. Now, since you have your problem and you have your advocacy, here comes concept paper. Concept papers are summaries of project or issues that contemplate interest, experience, and expertise that commonly serves as a purpose of delivering in an in-depth discussion of a certain topic. So, the terms concept paper, proposal, or abstract are often used interchangeably as they can be because they use for the same function, okay? Here are the key points on making your concept paper. Okay, so what are the elements of concept paper for social advocacy? Title page of your concept paper will serve a lot in terms of getting the audience interest, so make sure to have a short but a catchy and interesting title of your chosen topic. Followed by the introduction, wherein you must keep on pursuing and adding value to convince the reader about your project's mission and vision. The next element is purpose. This element includes the reason why your chosen project or advocacy campaign is worth all the time, effort, and money. This element, description, talks about the steps and procedure and how you will do things properly. The fifth element is support. In this, people can show support by monetary, not just monetary, but also by moral support. And the sixth element is contact information, which includes your name, address, phone number, email address, and website. What is social media role in advocacy campaigns? Changing other lives need the help of everyone, including you. You are now ready to make your
Alright,
own
so
concept
that
paper.
is Module 14, and I hope you understand our lesson. And I hope you will be catalyst of change. You'll be able to raise your advocacies using different ICT platforms. That's all. My name is Teacher Julie, and thank you so much for listening to my discussion. Goodbye!